Hello, my name is Nyamjenga Princesse and I'm one of the members in Group 1 and I'm here to talk about our formative assessment of 5, and I'm here to talk about the login form and login.gsp. Our formative assessment is to build GSP's page with our project and show how session can work and show the implicit objects and how GSP's tag work, like cif, cchoose, cwhen, and so on. So I'm here to talk about on login.gsp. As you see here, this is the login page that will direct us to login.gsp. This is the login.gsp. As you see here, this is the metadata of the document, and this is here we are importing the GSTL core tag library that will provide common functionalities for GSP. Here we are setting the content type of the page is text and HTML, UTF-8. Here we are importing HTTP session in order to manage sessions, and here I'm using cset tag and creating variable name to getting the parameter of username. This username is from the request from form, so I'm getting the data from the form and store it in this variable called name. Same here to password, and I'm setting also the variable code is valid and setting the value by default false, and here variable destination and this value index.html, and this will help us in case the conditions we have set is false. This will be running by default. So this is the default values, and this is the conditions. See if here we are setting the condition if name, we are talking about this name not empty and password not empty. We are going to learn specified condition according to what we want. We uses cchoose tag and cwhen. If cwhen, it says that if name equal to admin and password equal to admin albaz 123, we will reset our default variables. Variable is valid and destination value to true, because if password and name equal to this, we will set variable to true, then destination will set value to admin dashboard 1.gsp as the page it will direct us. Here we are setting session. As we have learned, no need to declare session object, as in GSP it is already declared. So here we are setting its value and name, username, and its value is admin. Continue. If here in this cwhen, if name equal to member and password equal to member albaz 123, we are resetting our variables is valid and destination is valid value to true, and value to destination is member dashboard 1.gsp as the page will be redirected on. And here also I'm setting session attribute, username, and session value to member. Otherwise, we are setting our variables destination value. It will direct us to page error.gsp, and this page error, it will tell us, or it will give us an error. And other here, if is valid, if test equal is valid, our GSP will use forward in order to forward us, or to direct us to the page destination. And the destination, destination contain either member or dashboard, member dashboard or admin dashboard. So if is valid user is true, it will direct us either to admin dashboard or to member dashboard. As you see here is the value of destination. And if test is not valid user, also it will direct us to the valid value of destination. As you see here, it will direct us to index.html. And I can learn and show how it, and show the output. This is our login form, admin username, admin albaz123. I'm going to the admin dashboard, and here I'm the admin, so I can log out, and also member albaz123. I can log in also to member dashboard, as you see here, and here also I'm going to log out. Thank you. My other members may continue.
Hello, good evening. As Group 1, we are here to present how GSP can work, also cooperate in the servlet. We are going to see how we can manage the error handling, and also how you can make that dynamic page to be handled if they get some errors. Let's see how it works. Our project called for GSP. Let's run it. As showing here, we are seeing the form, login form, and we are trying to log in order to see what the dashboard we are going to direct it. Let's see in the code before running. Here we have the admin dashboard. We are going to see admin dashboard if we click, or if we entered in that form the credential called admin as username here, as we are setting here, and also admin at 123 as password. And here we are, and the destination, as we are setting here before, we are setting to be false. Oh, yeah, of course. And here we are setting the destination when that credentials meet that what we are setting here, and we will directed to admin dashboard 1.gsp. Let's see if we are using these credentials, if we are getting to these pages we are supposed to be. Here we are seeing that member as username, and also password member at 123. If you log in, we will get to this dashboard, and let's see if we are entering our credentials with the admin. Admin as username and also admin at 123. You see that we are here for the admin dashboard. Let's continue for Joshua
The logout.
for the logout and how session works.
Thank you. Let's see in code, and we are going to talk about logout. Okay. You see here in code we have the condition states that if session is equal or not to null, the session is going to be invalidated, or the session is going to be queried, and the response is going to be directed to the index.html. Then let's go to the project to see how the logout is going to be working. You see here we are on admin dashboard. If we log in by using the credentials that we see above, and we want to log in as member or other member within Chimina or within this, we have to get about logout, and here we have logout on our dashboard. You see the logout. When you click on logout, we be validated on index.html. Thank you. Let's continue with Ivan.
And in addition, for here, if you are trying to access that admin dashboard, we are still here on this login form, means that the session is working properly. Let's continue for the error handling.
So thanks. Here to continue where my group members stopped. So I'm going to work on error on the page of error. So we know that error comes from the long credentials. So here they have shown us the username and password as my sister shown here. I'm going to try to put, as she put them, as you see, she put the member as the username. So I'm going to put the different from what she did. Maybe let me put here, remember that on the password we have been using member at 123. So let me put like 123, and I see, you see they give me the message long username and password. So when I click on this link to the go back, direct me to go to the login page in order to put the right credentials. When you go to the our codes, let me see to the page error. So here there is our form, and we have here the heading, the message called wrong username and password. We got this message from where we put the long credentials. So this is how our page error will work. If we put the real credentials, it will work. If we put the long, it doesn't work. Thanks.